Okay, hard to believe, but this is a 100 watt set of portable, completely, look at how light and portable these are, portable solar panels, which are so cool because they're great for anything from, we're here outside in Florida and we've now had 2 hurricanes and questionable about whether we were going to have power or not. And it's so nice to know that I have these sitting around where, you know, even if it's just something basic like keeping your cell phone running, for me, basic things like keeping my drones running, those things are all really important. So it is great to have this around where all I need to do is take it out in the sun, pop this open like this, and I have 100 watts of power. Not only do I have 100 watts of power, but check this out also. There's a little pouch here on the back, and inside this nice convenient little pouch are power supplies. First off, it's a nice long cord, and it comes with the 3 most common adapters for power banks. So if you were going to use this to charge up your battery-powered power bank, most likely whatever power pack you have is going to be powered by one of these 3 connectors. I think that's genius. And then, check this out. So this comes with it as well, and this is an adapter which plugs in here, and on this adapter you now have 2 USB-A's and 1 USB-C high-speed charging capabilities from the sun for free. I think this is just awesome. Couple things that you want to know. This has this cool like double layer polymer kind of, it's almost like a soft rubbery feel. They're not rigid, hard things that you're going to break. That both, they're flexible so you're not going to break them, and also makes them more durable so you don't have to worry about damaging them, as well as they are IP67 water resistant, so you're not going to have issues with them getting ruined if they get a little rained on or something like that. Obviously don't take them swimming, but basic life they're going to be just fine. This is a super durable material. Okay, so before I wrap this up, I want to show you just how portable this whole thing is. That's it. That is the whole thing. As we discussed, right here is that pouch where you have your charger and the wire adapters all in one spot. How perfect is that? Nice and easy. Again, this is even the built-in stand for it. Look, so it goes like that. It's all ready. This is absolutely, if you're into camping or safety, this is a must-have. This is super cool. I'm going to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score and tell you that I'm just thrilled to have it. If this was helpful, can you throw one of these down there? That would be really helpful for us. And again, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and we will see you next time.